Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the sign up error on text-free application. So firstly, in order to do this, you have to eject your SIM card from your phone. So after ejecting your SIM card from your phone, then you connect to a nearby Wi-Fi or someone's hotspot. So I'll connect to my other phone's hotspot. So I'm connected to my hotspot here now. Then you have to go to your Play Store and download the Super VPN. This is the VPN here. I'm going to be dropping the link to this VPN in the description below, and I'm also going to be dropping a link to how you can download text-free from Google Play in the description below. So after doing this, guys, then you just have to go ahead and open the VPN proxy app. So after opening the VPN proxy app, then you cancel all ads, then click on the fastest location option. After clicking on it, you select the USA location there. Alright, so now guys, we are connected to the USA location. So all you just have to do is to go back to your Chrome and go to temp mail in order for you to get a mail you can use to create an account on text-free. Alright guys, so once the email has been generated to you, you just have to click on the copy option there. Okay, it's generating one. Right, so just copy the one generated, then you go to the text-free application, then continue with email. So you see don't have an account sign up, you click on there, then continue, allow all permissions. Okay, it's giving you a random error code. You can change it or use it if it works for you. Change 541, but it told me there's no number available for that. I'm going to be using one of the suggested ones here, which is 662. So now it gave me varieties of numbers, so all else I have to do is pick a number and register with it. So I pick this number, confirm, then paste my email. So I just have to type in my password back and choose my gender. And after typing your password, then choose your gender. So I just choose my gender and sign up. Alright guys, so it brought the option that let's activate your text-free number. So you just have to accept all permissions that are going to be brought up. So accept all permissions that will be brought up on text-free app. So afterward, you see an area where it will ask you to pay. Okay, continue. Okay, yeah, it will ask you to pay here. So all you just have to do is to click on the use text-free with ad option. So just click on use text-free with ad. So after that, you should be able to use the text-free application. So to see your number, you just have to click on the settings icon to view your number. So after clicking on it, you will be able to view your number. So this is just how I can see this, guys. If you find this very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.